Greetings and beyond the news. My name is Dufort. I am the Puertoriqueño the Bat, and we're going to continue off where we left off. Ratchet and Clank Eldora. Okay, let's get started from here. Alright, when I continue at some point, I always go doing this, making a clear out whatever they respawn or put back, more crates and whatever else. I always take that advantage. It's more like a smarty way for me to do it. Well, either way, it's more like for being smart, but also cheating. Well, either way, I see it as a smart. Not two hits. Still got some points on it. But anyways, let's see. Now, we're done over there. Nope, don't fall in there. Okay, we've done there, and there. Grab all these. And now... oh, right. I almost forgot. There. Oh, I almost fallen. Alright, let's just keep going. Alright, we got everywhere. Now let's go to the next planet. Alright, let's go into the ship. Now we go into the next one. Oh yes, Nebula. Alright, let's go. Blast off! Here we are now. Alright, now we're here. Okay, let's see around from here. Let's see. Alright, let's clear out some crates and then we'll go to which one of these doors? Render?
Hi there, fuzzball.
Taunter. Not yet. I want to, but not yet. Let's keep going. Alright. Let's break everything until we know what we got left. Alright. Alright, Clank. Time first to open this door and then let you go. Alright. It's this way. Now to the other one. Go this way, and lastly would be this. Done. Alright, Clank. Time to let you go to do your Avengers. Alright, let's get going. And here we are, outside from space itself. I can't get Ratchet out here. Ugh, this is scary for me. Ugh, this is one I'm not too safe to even walk around here. Hell, I'm more shaken every time with the beam falling down. Alright, made it from here, from there. Before punching that box, climb up there. Got a few things from there. And now we can punch that last box out. Yeah, I know, jump and glide to down there. Yeah, I know that part. Alright, let's use this to see what we got on the view. A few frogs from there. We can handle that. The only I hate more is the other ones. It's those things. I don't know what they call, but jeez, they're irritating for me because one, I know those things. The frog ones are not irritating, but with a swarm, then yes, they're irritating. But there's another one who's irritating me so much, I would rather just kill it almost 1,000 times, and even cook it if I have to. Ugh, this is what I hate more. Oh boy, this is more like a super concentration. Oh, careful, careful. Hate falling, I hate the feeling of my leg starts crushing itself. Ooh, careful, careful. Ooh, jeez. Almost, and phew. Alright, that was a close one. Whew. Alright, let's go in here. And, oh yes, there it is. The thing I hate is more. Oh, let's go for the backup. I need these friends. Hello, friends. I'm gonna need your help to eliminate this. I can't. Let's see. Can you help me with this? That'll make it easier for elimination. Alright, time to say goodbye, my friends. Alright. Oh, looky, we got a new free gadget. I always like to find good gadgets to help me out from the levels. Ah, yes, I know that. The Hydrocity. First, before we go, let's grab those boxes. Now, let's get going to Ratchet. Because, one, we can't do any scene forward ahead. Not unless we have any scene from Ratchet. But we can't do anything else. So, is it this way? Oh yeah. Here we are. Almost forgot. It's been a while on which is the entrance and which is the exit.
I'm back.
So you are.
And I found this.
Hey, cool. It's what is it?
A hydro displacer.
Great. I always wanted one of those, I guess.
Oh, you think Ratchet. Yeah, one, you really need this gadget because, one, this is going to help us in many ways. So, in a way, I would tell you, yeah, you're going to need this badly, Alright, let's go open it out of it to the gates and to wherever we're going to go from there. The gas is leaking. But I hate those kind of people when they go saying, I think. When they don't know what they think, they don't know what they do. Bring out the suction can because a swarm is coming up. I'm going to blow them from sky high. Come on. Oh, no, you don't. You're not gonna get a bite out of that. Ooh, you are so good. Alright. Now I got them all. I got 3 bullets left. And voila, I still got bullets. Yeah. Alright. Now, let's blow those up. Okay. Let's grab whatever else. Oh, no, you don't. Not even try. Oh, miss me. Can't hit me anyways. Alright, let's suck these frogs out. Oh, you are really just got my nerves. Well, I got some things. Alright, let's open those keys. Alright, this should be a little bit difficulty. I'll get there. Okay, this over here. No. Okay, let's. No. Is it this way? No. Is this way? No. Okay, let's see. It goes this way, now this way. No. A little bit over. Oh, right. Here we go. Got it. Okay, now over here, a little bit lower, right there. Because there's only two about those toads right in that small box. What's going to pop in? This one mustn't. Alright, let's get every boxes out and break every single one. And we're done. Good. We'll clear out all the boxes what we need. Alright. No time for the hateful place that I don't like. Oh boy. Let's go this way because to get over it. Just jump fast to you. Almost dying right now and I might as well be dead. Okay, jump to the other side. Phew. Okay, I gotta make it quick. Be careful. Wait for it before we die. Go. Okay, one more. Jump. That was close one. 3 lives. Good. That was a close one, but I'm going to have to face the fire guy. Let's blow him up a little bit further. Got it. Now it's time for a flamethrower because all those boxes are frogs. Ah, good, a full health. Ah, these are the ones I hate more. Okay. Let's get some bombs to get there. Ooh, jeez. Ooh. Oh, die this, sir. Never let your guard down, no matter what. Even this. I hate those things. Alright. Not moving because when I hit that, it comes out. And come on, open. Look around. He's dead. Okay, now I need a weapon. Flamethrower. That will do. Let's cook some frogs' legs. Alright, let's keep cooking at them. Oh, so much frogs, so much leg to cook. Alright, are we done? You deserve to be extra crispy. This one, I'm going to die because of you. I'm going to die. I am going to die. Oh, well, not anymore. Well, I'm still going to die. Alright, let's... not yet. Okay. Let's begin burning everything up because it's going to take for a while. Alright, we burn all the frogs. Now let's send the doom to be destructive. Voila. It's more easier to just let any bombs or weapons to blow it up. Alright, let's keep going from here. And we'll look every hole to make sure every single cage until we get either lives or empty cages around here. Okay, somewhere around here There has to be a cave around here. Aha! Here it is. Flamethrower. Needs to get this out of it. Trust me, it's more easier to cook them all. Alright, that's the end of that, and look at that, we have a golden bolt. Alrighty. Well, we got another golden bolt in here. Okay, now let's get out of here. Alright, on to whatever's hell comes up. Alright, let's blow this up from them because it takes 2 bombs to blow them up. That's how it is. I would like to not waste any weapons on the frog or even on that. If I had to waste weapons on these things, I might as well. And not there, come on, shoot him. Jeez. That was a close one. Well, this one I don't have bother if I had to throw bombs or either use my wrench. Because either way, he is simple. Okay, match was it? Miss. Okay, a little bit too. No. A little bit too. You know what? I'm just aiming it. There. Made it more easier. Now let's blow him up. Now his other friend. Not in there. And to the other one. Jeez. Okay. Good. Now I got full health. That's better. Now let's go back to the Gadgetron. I need really ammo. I'm gonna need it because the nightmare's not ended yet.
Hi there, Fuzzball.
Alright, let's buy a lot of this one, and a lot of this one, a lot of this one, and this one. Alright, let's get the bombs, and let's get some fuel torch until we got to a full one, and now buy this one. Now we got the sound wave to crush every box out of it. Easy. Alright, let's get going to our next door, which I hate. The more I hate, the more it's going to kill me. Just want to make sure any weapons and gadgets I need from here. Okay, bomb comes first, because I'm going to need it. And here comes the hateful queen. Whew, this is why I hate more. Okay, keep going. Do you? It's just one life. Just keep going. Okay, the suck cannon. Do you? Okay, let's make this quick. So I have some ammo in here, so can use doing their ammo, so I can shoot her down. Still got it. The bigger problem, bigger fish came in. Oh, I'm so dead. I am so dead. Okay, how am I supposed to kill him? How am I supposed to kill her or kill him? Oh, that was easy. Okay, fire. I'm gonna try to fire at her, but I cannot let the little ones eat me. Okay, think. Damn this. Oh yeah. Ooh, you are so wanting to kill you. Ooh. Okay, gotta think. Should I do the same? Yeah, that work. Okay, gotta think. Yeah, make it quick. I can't push any triangle. Gotta think. Ooh. Oh no, I didn't lose any life. Okay, I gotta think fast. Oh, I gotta crush. Ooh. Ooh, now I am down to the last one. Let's get some. I didn't think about this. Let's get going. Alright. Music level doomed. Okay, start sending a lot of friends to help me out. Like, literally, help me out. Whew. That was a close one. Well, that was a close, and that was easy enough. I was going to die, and I was going to scream like hell. Trust me, I hated this part where this unclean creature comes in and tries to bite me in half out of it. Even her own children's they really going to make me bite my head off. But I need to survive, and I can't survive all of this, so let's try to find any life. Oh, thank you, yes.
Thought I was a goner this time. Some nano-wit in genetics must have left the cages open again.
You could come down now.
Honestly, a gadget engineer deserves a bit more respect, if you ask me.
So, you are an inventor.
Gadget engineer. I create revolutionary devices for Executive Chairman Drek. For instance, Viola. My soon-to-be patented grind boots. Look, I need to get out of here so I can find a new job. How about I sell you these? At cost.
Sell? After we just saved your scrawny butt?
All right. I'll give you the employee discount, too.
Grind boost. Yeah, we might as well.
Well, thanks. I'm gonna get out of here while I still can.
You've got the grind boost.
I know, the grind boost's going to grind everything. Alright, let's get going to our exit. Now, let's go. Okay, it's been a while to grind all around here. But I'm a fast learner, so either way I'll learn fast. Right. Still a bit easy, but it's been a while, so. I always like that part crash into the wall. I love it. It's always so fun. Okay, the last stop for this place would be this. Yeah, I know this is an autopilot, so get started. Peaceful. I always like the peaceful place. It's always quiet, always good, and always happy. Here we are now. Okay, now let's see where we need to go. Alright, to the right. Okay. Missed. Ha. Missed me. And I got you. Alright, now let's clear out these crates. Okay, I always love the suck cannon because, well, the suck cannon can suck small things because of like this. I can use them no matter what, even if the enemies, they don't waste my good ammo. I always like this gun no matter what. Miss. Got one. Alright, let's reload again. Do you? I'll deal with you later. Alright, come on. Aim for once. Finally. Jeez. Anyways, let's keep going. Clear out the crates, every last one, until we got a nothing from around here. Alright, now let's clear out him. Well, them. Because there's 3 of them, which I hate more of this. But I always like it because it gets to hurt them. The toes are always helpful when they're useful as being ammo for those big ones. I might as well hit them with their own kinds. That's always easy for me. Alright, now let's go to the left. Aim, a little bit down, a little bit there, and now. Alright, that's 2 down. Now lastly. Okay, now we're here, there, and again. Oh, might as well use my ammo. This is why I always make sure not to waste them. But if it's done, it's done. Might as well say it's killed. Alright, let's grab the glass crates. Make sure no crates around here is still on it. And then after that, we'll get going to pushing the big red button. Every movie, every show always gets nervous for the big red button. For me, push it! Not really.
Thank you for selecting our automated self-destruct feature. Vessel annihilation sequence initiated. Please remove all personal belongings.
You don't have to tell me twice. Alright, let's get going. Alright, let's get our weapons because it's not gonna be easy out. Alright, we got those 2 out. Now, there's a 3rd one up ahead, which I'm going to have to kill him. Good, that's that. And now this is us being one thing, leaving. Always make it before time run out. That's a little one. Let's just say I didn't pass this much. I always hate at some point those things that bites me. But either way, it's done, it's done.
This is Darla Gratch reporting live from Blackwater City. We've just learned that Captain Quark will be presenting the grand prize at the Intergalactic Hoverboard Championship, which will be held here over the next few days. In related news, this planet has recently been suffering from an infestation of strange amoeboid creatures. The city's administration has assured this reporter that every step has been taken to eradicate these nuisances. Darla Gratch, Channel 2 News.
You see that?
Yes, I hope that poor woman is all right.
She's fine, I think. I was talking about the hoverboard races.
Okay, we got the corners for the planet Railguard. For example, Blackwater City. Alright, let's check her gadgetron. Nothing. Okay, let's get going to the next planet. Alright, to Blackwater City, and here we go. Blast off! Here we are now. Blackwater City. Alright, let's get going now. Here. This way. Maybe this way? No, this way. Maybe. Let me go check the gadgetron. The mind glow. Not yet. We'll get it, but not yet. First is first. Let me see where we're going. Maybe the map will help me. Okay, we're here, and oh yeah, now I know where we are. Okay, we'll be going this first, and after that a second will come up. Alright. Let's go over here. Oh, missed. Oh, come on. Let's just get this down. Okay, let's get my Doom minions in here. It's always easy to see them blow up everything. Alright, let's clear out those crates. And clear out every other else. Let's clear out that. Oh, yeah, come on. There we go. Alright, let's get going here. A little bit back, and now jump. I always hate that because sometimes I miss and then find out that I'm going to be swimming with the sharks. Either way, so let's continue on about that. Now, let's see which weapon. Flamethrower? No. Blaster. Yeah, blaster. That will do. Alright, let's kill you. Go away, you. Goodness, use something a little stronger than that. Now let's see the flamethrower. Go away. Oh no, you don't. Okay, not the key. Alright, let's grab the suck cannon. Perfect. That'll be enough for me to take them. Alright, let's see where we can get. Let's clear up all the crates. And now... I always like this part. It's always easier for me to shoot them out. Alright. Now let's grab the bridge. Okay, one bullet won't be enough, so we'll use the flamethrower. At least to see how we can punish these. Dude, you just had that life. Let's go upstairs. Okay. Now, to here. So they can deal with that. Okay. Good. Now deal with this. So it's easier for me to make them go kaboom. Destroy them. It's always easier for me. Alright. Let's grab every bolts where they get killed. And now let's grab every crates around here. Alright. Now. The tower bombs. Alright, that's done that. Now, let's make sure we place our no crates, no bolts, no nothing. Alright. Taxi! Take me to Midtown. What wonderful, beautiful chaos. Chaos is just beautiful. It always brings out everyone's beauty in nature. I always love that part. Alright, back to where we were. Now, let's see. One left. Come on. Now we're done. Alright, let's collect all the bolts before we talk to whoever's here. Alright, let's clear out all the crates. Anywhere would be anywhere. Alright. Okay, let's go to the manhole. Alright, there's the last two. One more, come on. Right, jumped out. Now we'll talk to him.
Rhino for your robot. Trade you.
Well, okay.
Ratchet.
I'm kidding. Sorry, he's not for sale. What's a rhino anyway?
Rip you a new one.
What did you just say to me?
R-Y-N-O. Rip you a new one.
Why, that's the most powerful missile launcher in the galaxy. I know it's with a lot of bolts. He must have stolen it from the Flars.
Stolen. Look, trash can, did I say's anything about it being hot? You better watch your mouth or I'll...
Wait, don't tell me. Rip you a new one.
And there's how much I need to get. 1,050 to get all those bolts. Yeah. That will be hard for me because it took me forever to get it. I never got the chance to use it on the last battle, but I will try to get it before anywhere. Oof. But anyways, I'll have to try because the last time I tried to get it, it's more likely I never got the chance to use it. But I will try. Alright, let's see around. Nothing more? Alright, let's go to destroy the tank. Alright, my friend, let's take care of him. I always have my little friends to take care of these. Alright, now I'll deal with them. Come on, friends. Oh, at least once my friends dealt with it. Alright, now let's get going to the elevator and going up. Alright. I'm surprised that we're going to a sewer cave. But it's curious to me is one thing. Should have been the sewer cave should be down and not up. That's a weird world to go anywhere. But I'm not whining about it. It's just weird. Alright, let's clear out all these, and then we'll enjoy our battle arena. Okay, a few more boxes. Okay, now time to see the arena. I always imagine this place is the arena. Making sure my doom minions to be ready who are left alive. Okay, come on, climb. Alright, time to watch the show to battle. I always love this. I always try to narrate whoever wins from there, saying the cleaners go to the last two, now to the slamers, they're going to be the winner. No, it is, oh, no, the cleaners win, let's congratulate them, yay. Ooh, you know what, go take your winning spot and just go die. Alright, let's go. Let's go to gather all these bolts and the crates. Whatever's left in here should be gather. Alright, let's go over here to going up. Now to the maze. Alright, now this is going to be hard for me because, well, whatever comes opening to that will be hurting for me. Alright, let's just open it. This is what I mean. Alright, let's just keep going. Before we open, we need bombs. Oh no, any flamethrower. No, dumb minions, no. Forget the flamethrower will do. And laugh it up. Because I might as well burn you down either way. Ooh. Keep laughing because that was your last meal. Alright, let's keep going out of this maze. Alright, and we're out. Good. Okay, now let's make sure of this to be at the end. But first, let's finish this maze out. That was just bomb. Well, it's easier to finish it. Alright, now let's blow them up quickly. Oh, two strike. Oh. Well, they blow up easily. Alright, we got full health now. Alright, let's keep going to our next one. The last button to push. Alright, need a flamethrower to get them cooking. Alright, the Slimer is always like a germ. The only way you can clean it is to burn them. Alright, there's a golden bolt, but the button's destroyed. Not to be afraid. Never fear, my mind already made a plan. Okay, now let's get going from here. It's easier because, one, you can climb up here and just made them as a bridge. But careful not to fall in, because if not, you're going to have to start all over. And this is just the hard part for me. Stop. Okay, let's go. Now, lastly, the golden bolt. Alright, now I got it. Grab those crates. Now we'll grab a little bit of last thing, and now we get going to the tankers. Just want to make sure no bolts is left behind, because, like I said, I need that Ripia new one, the Rhino, how they say it. It goes for me to have it. I got 1,050,000. Well, for now, let's get to the Doom minions. And they should blow up by now. Always too good for these things. Now the last one. Oh, that's easier. It's always easy to blow them up from them. Alright, time to go to the last elevator. Going up. Okay, here we are. Now, let's keep going. Let's gather all the crates and all the bolts around here. So make sure nothing is left behind. Alright, I just want to make sure no distraction around these parts, because I don't want to miss nothing about it. Alright, we got that. Now this. Alright, let's keep going to there. And now, lastly, let's grab those. And now, the metal crates. Well, blow them up. It's always easier. Okay, now the last room that has the crates. Alright, that would be it for this room. Okay, we're down to the whoever she is to there. Now let's see. Which one will go? Oh wait, this is the racing part. We'll go this one.
Welcome to the Hovercon Intergalactic Hoverboard Competition. Captain Quirk's giving away a brand new Platinum Zoomerator to the winner of this competition.
A platinum zoomerator. Perhaps that will be the proof of your accomplishments that Skid's agent requires.
Wait, do you guys mean Skid McMarks?
Yeah, Skid couldn't make it, so we're here to, fill in for him.
Guess we'll see about that.
Okay, let's get racing. At this point, I'm going to have to be quiet at this point, so I'll be talking about when I finish here, so either way, later. Oh, come on. Again. God damn it. Come on. faster. Now jump. Oh, fuck! Ah! Oh, fuck! Okay. Fuck! Fuck! Ah! Fuck! You fuck! Fuck! Ah!
Hi folks, Captain Quark here. It is my distinct pleasure to introduce this year's HoverCon Intergalactic Champions. Let's give it up for newcomers.
Ratchet and Clank.
Hey, look, that's us.
Today's winners will take home a brand new professional-grade Model T15 Platinum Zoomerator. Manufactured by Gadgetron, this hoverboard drive delivers more lift, speed, and maneuverability than any other anti-grav device on the market. Well, folks, that's all the time we have. Tonight, Remember to set your infobots to the Quark Classic channel for tonight's episode of Dogfight Over Death Canyon, starring yours truly. Thank you and have a Quark-tastic day.
Yes! 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 Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Oh, sorry about that. I just get excited out of that. For every failure I go is more likely my last thing to blow up for excitement. Alright. So you're gonna blow up, let's blow up for them. Okay, now that is done. Okay, alright, that is done. Well, folks, this is the it for me. Sorry, late, and I wasn't able to get to the next room where it is. But either way, thank you for watching my videos. Watch whatever videos they come up, or mine, or whatever watch videos from the YouTube they want. But give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, and a day will rise, night will come. Hasta luego.